A Twitter user tricked Grok into wiring $200,000. It worked, and everyone is talking about the security angle. Nobody is asking the more important question: how did Grok have a funded payment account in the first place? Most production AI agents don't. Here's the gap. Grok sits inside a system that already has financial rails: a human account, an existing identity, a bank relationship. Your autonomous agent has none of that. No SSN, no EIN, no billing address. Stripe rejects it on KYC. PayPal flags it. ACH requires a verified account holder. The agent can reason, plan, and execute, but it cannot touch money. The Grok incident proves agents can move money. The question is, who builds the infrastructure so they can do it autonomously without hijacking a human's credentials? That infrastructure exists. The link is in the description.